This is Julie. And we decided she doesn't need our 1-year guarantee. And no, it wasn't because we were trying to scam her or because she had done something wrong or because she didn't want to show her face. It's actually because she got it all in the first weeks of the program. She was able to implement her transformation with the same amount of time that takes for you to reflect on what was happening. Julie had her first deep insight meditation after watching the Mind Shift program. Then she went to bed. She kept doing it for 30 days, and a profound transformation happened, like a download, an upgrade in consciousness on her subconscious mind. So she tried in the past many things, and the crazy part is that she cannot even explain it in a logical way. Because in a short time, with the amount of time that she used to spend scrolling on social media, instead, she did the self-work. She gained enough energy, tools, and strength to heal and transform her future. I genuinely want to say it was game-changing. The strategy Julie used was exactly the same strategy that we teach through the Mind Shift program with the Soham Method. And I didn't just wake up one day and invent this strategy out of thin air. I spent the last decades studying the patterns, the algorithm, meditation, psychology, neuroscience, and I found a way to make energetic alignment easy, more than I can count. And there was a time I lived like a hermit in the Himalayas for 11 years of my life, out of civilization, high in the sky. Later, diving into shamanism in the Philippines, grounding to earth. And later, this strategy led me to some pretty crazy things manifested, such as travel the world, always finding new creative, fulfilling jobs, as to buying a big house in front of a stunning lake 6 months after arriving in Switzerland with nothing, despite all my detachments. It seemed like I had a mission, and it kept going so. Attracting hundreds of volunteers to help me with such projects while I was hosting spiritual retreats, allowing myself to grow and share the gift of life with many, and so on. I also had dark times, and I stood up again and again. But let me blow your mind, because I am transmitting knowledge that thousands of people across the globe are learning how to use beyond your imagination, on how to open and access the secret chamber, to reconnect with the heart again and touch inner freedom. But I like to tell you, this is something very important. There is no way that I can do that by myself. I feel really guided on this work. I offer myself for a higher power, one that I can't even name: God, universe, divine intelligence, cosmic consciousness. You can choose. I just remind myself that the same energy that guides the stars guides me too. So, do you want that to be you? Like Petra, for example, she took the course and made her life a huge upgrade. So you too can expand your passion and live your life to the fullest, from body, mind, and soul. It also helped Yon. He gained new neural connections using what we taught him. And now he's living every single day with elevated emotions, experiencing the favorite version of himself. If this is you, the sky is the limit. We also offer 1-year guarantee because we deeply want to hear your experience of transformation and success. So if you take the course and implement it, and if you don't get any improvements, you can get all of your money back, every last penny. We have no doubt about what we are offering. If you are feeling tired, suffering any kind of emotional pain, and want to heal your heart, and want to stop feeling like walking on Legos on barefoot, this is for you. Just click the link below and join us today.